Meanwhile, we're gonna go check out this place that's about 25 minutes away and just chill and relax, and then we'll figure out the rain situation. But as of right now, that's where we're heading to. So this is where all the kids must be camping at. All these tents, 13 through 18. Sweet. After a 2.5 mile walk hike, this is our little dookie. Alright guys, we're back in the car. We just left Lakeland Hooters, and now we're gonna go to another place. It's called End Zone or something like that. And this is what we have to enjoy the rest of the day. So I'm just gonna enjoy hanging out in different places here in Lakeland. I mean, that's what you gotta do. And then we'll go back to the campsite, we'll chill. Probably most likely it's gonna rain the rest of the night, so we'll probably end up watching a bunch of movies and chill and relax. And hopefully we get some breaks to where I can cook dinner later on tonight. If not, I can always pull out my my one burner to cook up the steak and vegetables that I got. So we'll see what happens. My little dookie's chilling. That's my little dookie. Alright guys, we're gonna check out this place. What's it called? The End Zone Family Sports Restaurant. Nice and chilling out, so we're not that worried about dookie too much. End Zone in Lakeland. What? But look at this. So this is where we're at. So this is come up from the south. Talking about a rainy night. So let's look at hourly. 30%, 45, 30%. It doesn't mean it's going to rain all night. And then tomorrow, we're going to Hillsboro. All rain. Man, this is a rainy week. I didn't expect this to happen. But anyway, guys, we're going to go back to our campsite at Colt Creek. And hopefully we get a chance to hop outside and excuse me, I have a fire. Hungry? Well, it's 3 o'clock and it's 5 o'clock somewhere. And the thing is, I think it's supposed to rain the rest of the day. It's supposed to be pretty low all the time. 71 degrees. This is the reality, guys, when you live in a small little van or camp in a small van with no canopy. Well, I have a canopy, I just didn't put it up. But meanwhile, I've been thinking about maybe doing ladder racks with solar, and then it can't be out that way. Nice. Got some camping people. Even though it's gonna rain the whole time. That's my dookie. Oh, that's my little dookie. You see 6 degrees out there. Enjoyable of camping in a small van. Holy crap, aloni, guys. And actually it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, and we're going to another place. So my scheduling and stuff wasn't really too good. Look at this guy. He's out walking his dog. This guy's hooking up his water. He's got a trailer there. Got a trailer over there. So we plan on doing a big family function get together, I think. So what do you think, dude? What do you think? What do you think, bud? What do you think? What do you think? Hanging out? We're just gonna chill? Okay. We'll just chill.